There's a lot to be said for vintage watches. The stories behind them, the materials used, and the brands that put these watches out there on the market for us. In the mid-1950s, Romer patented their Amphibio watertight cases, which you see here on this vintage gem. It proved to be a technological and financial success. The movement and dial housing, which are pushed up from the bottom of the case, is an interesting design, and one you don't see these days. By the late 1960s, the company was still looking to produce some very modern looking watches, for the first time with both electronic and conventional balance movements, and one of the early affordable Swiss quartz movements. And after a few changes in ownership, and no longer privately owned, Romer is still in existence and operating close to their previous base in Solothurn, Switzerland. On this piece, the dial and hands define the look of the watch. The crystalline dial are next to pristine. Applied markers with odd numbers resembling a rocket ship remind me of the old types of rockets you'd see in old comic books. Mechanically, the watch performs excellent, and power reserve is substantial. It's a unique and reliable watch, suitable for any occasion. This is definitely one of those watches where the Swiss craftsmanship is definitely present. It's a robust piece that's got plenty of life still left in it. It's a very detailed piece, with its alpha style hands, its applied hour markers, and that red tip seconds hand sweeping across that dial. And for a vintage watch, it's a charming and original piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.